Hello，大家好，今日係2025年5月9號，星期五，又係另一個星期五啦。今日咧同大家小閒談一下，講下嘅題目係關於自動駕駛汽車 （self-driving cars）。自動其實可以話 auto，駕駛 driving。汽車 cars， 自動駕駛汽車 self-driving cars， 你會覺得好有型啊，定係會有啲擔心，覺得有啲驚驚地呢？最近我睇到一段嘅錄影啦，其實係一段片段，一個片。講到喺中國咧有部 Tesla 失控，其實都周不時都會有時會睇到呢啲新聞嘅，都唔係話好 rare， 都唔係話好少見噶啦，都有時會見到呢啲嘅新聞啊，個 Tesla 失控咁樣，咁架車咧就飛咗出去，撞到咧另外幾部車，咁睇到呢個片咧都有啲驚啊。So recently I saw a video of a traffic accident in China. A Tesla lost control and flew across the road and crashed into other cars. It was terrifying. 好得人驚，好得人驚啊！因為睇咗好多呢啲咁嘅交通嘅意外啦，啲 traffic accident 交通意外啦，咁其實所以都令到我咧覺得揸車咧係一件危險嘅事情嚟嘅。不過咧另一方面咧，我住喺美國嘅學生，咁有兩個學生咧都住喺洛杉磯 LA 嘅。咁佢哋就話俾我聽，佢哋咧都有搭呢個自動駕駛嘅車，自動駕駛汽車，就話咧好方便，好有型喎。On the other hand, some of my students in the US, especially in Los Angeles, 洛杉磯，或者喺三藩市，San Francisco 三藩市，都好流行有呢啲嘅自動駕駛汽車。So some of my students in the US, in LA, in San Francisco, told me they've already been riding in self-driving cars, and they said it's really cool and convenient。咁就話好方便啦，好有型啦咁樣。咁我自己因為都有少少驚咧，揸車其實都唔係少少，可能都幾驚，即係揸親車都好緊張，揸親車咧就會好緊張。咁所以咧就對我嚟講咧，如果自動駕駛嘅話咧，都可能係一個幾理想嘅事情啦，quite ideal. It also it sounds like a dream, right? 都好似一個夢想嚟嘅喎，即係唔使自己揸車，跟住架車自己會帶你呢度去嗰度去咁樣，唔使自己揸，又可以四圍去，都真係幾正。So no need to drive and I can still get around. That sounds amazing. 聽落咧都幾正 ，sounds amazing。聽落幾正，聽落幾正。咁但係咧都有少少擔心啦，係咪啊？究竟係咪安全㗎？咁萬一個 AI 壞機，咁會唔會好嚴重㗎？But is it really safe? What if the AI crashes or makes a mistake？ 咁如果壞機，或者輕機咁樣個 AI crashes， 壞機或者輕機，咁會唔會有好嚴重嘅事情發生啊？咁樣，不過又諗翻轉頭，then again，其實有啲人類司機都好唔安全。Some human drivers aren't very safe either, right？ 好多啲人類嘅司機咧都唔安全。 咁如果咧 AI 穩定嘅話咧，可能反而仲準確同埋仲安全啲喎，係咪啊？So if the AI works properly, it might even be safer。咁如果 AI 係正常咁運作咧，應該咧係會安全過好多人類嘅司機嘅。咁不過即係都好難講。總之喺馬路嗰度啦，喺個 traffic road 馬路喺馬路嗰度咧，總之大家都要好小心啦，係啊，要小心駕駛啦。無論你係司機或者你係行人，過馬路，crossing the road， 你過馬路或者你踩單車 using bikes 或者係揸呢個嘅電單車 motorbike 電單車，總之每一個人都要好小心。唉，喺馬路上邊真係唔係講少啊！好啦，咁咧唔知你又會唔會坐呢啲自動駕駛車咧？ Would you ride in a self-driving car？ 你會唔會坐呢啲自動駕駛嘅汽車咧？你覺得 AI 駕駛比人駕駛安全定係危險啲咧？ Do you think AI driving is safer or more dangerous than human driving？ 你覺得 AI 駕駛比人類駕駛安全定係危險啲咧？你會唔會考慮將來用自動車呢啲嘅自動駕駛車啦，呢啲嘅自動車去取代自己揸車咧？ Would you consider using self-driving cars in the future？ 係啦，如果你有得揀嘅，你中意自己揸車定係會有一部呢啲自動駕駛嘅汽車咧？So tell me what you think， 話俾我聽你嘅諗法。好啦，今日咧呢集嘅小閒談 Small Talk 去到呢一度啦，同大家傾下講下嘅話題。如果你有其他嘅建議 ，other suggestions 建議，有其他建議，你都可以 comment 話俾我聽，留言話俾我聽。好啦，我哋下次再見，多謝你嘅收聽，拜拜。